When summer brings the heat into your house, picking the right window air conditioner makes all the difference for comfort and power bills. Today we are looking at two cooling machines built to lower bedroom temperatures, the Antarctic Star NCAA-06C X1E and the LG LW8022IVSM. Both systems slide onto your window frame to move indoor air across cooling coils and push crisp air into hot living spaces. The first major variance is the physical design and how you handle the window installation. The Antarctic Star NCAA-06C X1E features a U-shaped chassis that slips over the windowsill as a saddle mount unit. The bedroom window slides straight down behind the main cooling chassis, keeping noisy parts outside. The LG LW8022IVSM uses a traditional rectangular box design that sits fully inside the lower section of the open window frame. When you study the airflow vents, you can see how they throw air into the room. The Antarctic Star relies on auto-swing louvers that glide back and forth to distribute cold air evenly. The LG LW8022IVSM lacks auto-swing louvers, so you must manually angle the front vents to direct airflow. Both window air conditioners use an inverter compressor to alter cooling speeds instead of cycling on and off. The Antarctic Star uses a 3-speed compressor setup, while the LG features dual inverter technology that adjusts continuously. The LG achieves an efficiency rating of 15.5 EER, outperforming the Antarctic Star's 11.0 EER, which lowers monthly power bills. If you use these ACs in a bedroom during a hot night, fan noise becomes critical. The Antarctic Star runs at a low sound level of 45 decibels. The LG operates slightly quieter at 44 decibels for peaceful sleeping. Control options differ between the two models. The Antarctic Star uses a standard handheld remote control and is not a smart device. The LG LW8022IVSM is fully connected, allowing smartphone apps and voice control to adjust the bedroom temperature. The Antarctic Star averages around $360, while the LG is higher at about $430. Both units have washable antimicrobial air filters that slide out from the front for easy rinsing. Both window air conditioners are made in China, though warranty protection differs. Both brands offer a basic 1-year total warranty, but the LG provides a 5-year compressor warranty versus 1 year on the Antarctic Star. The clear winner in this match is the LG LW8022IVSM. With its dual inverter, compressor, smartphone control apps, 15.5 EER efficiency, and a 5-year compressor warranty, it provides the best value for your home.